Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Susan. Today I want to introduce some snap jewelries for you. We have many kind of jewelries such like snap jewelry and pearl jewelries and some jewelries. If you are interested, you can go to our website. Everything will available in our website. Today what I kind of the jewelry I recommended to you. And as we see our desk, okay. And on our desk there have some snap buttons with the snap bracelets. And this is compatible with standard size ginger snap 18 to 20 millimeters. Bracelet is adjustable to 6.5 and 8.5 inch extension with toggle clasper. Snap about 20 millimeters diameter, 6 millimeters thickness. So very beautiful things you can got. And also this one. I say we save the first one aware and we choose some snappers for it. And like this like watch, also watch band like this with this milestone snap buttons. And for this ginger snapper give you a lot of options, and as you build up your collection of the interchangeable snap, your options for changing things up get even broad. Those there's over 300 different snaps to choose from them, so you can choose what you like. And we also should care for our ginger snap jewelries. Ginger snapper jewelries and are all rhodium plated, as with all plated jewelry. Tarnish may naturally occur over times. To keep our things look best, clean them with a dry polish cloth. This one need $1.72. And now we try this. Okay, like this easy we can put this one here. Like this is a little big because it's not my size, okay. So we also can choose this one. But never use liquid jewelry cleaner. This product can do some serious damage to your snap jewelries. Okay, to change your snappers, simply apply them out of the ring, necklace, or bracelet with your finger, and replace them with a new designs. Very wonderful. Maybe it's rhinestones. Okay, very wonderful things. Okay, and there are snaps for every personality, every style, and every occasion. So very good things for us. This one in your $2.10, you will got such beautiful things. Okay, if you like, you can pay attention to our websites. Every day we're updating our products.